Hey Dante. Say hello.
Hello. Oh, I vlog.
Yes.
Oh, you know, I think I first now work at Jamaica. Not 3 years.
2 years.
At 3 years.
At 2 years. You not reached 2 years yet.
July. July now come now.
That's not gonna be 2 years. 2019. Check your passport.
2020, 2021.
Exactly.
At 3 years.
At 2 years. You can't count the year where you come.
Oh,
you have to count from after that.
If you like a 4 years. Oh yeah, we're there. Oh. Taste bad tea.
Man, coffee not taste like nothing. How much money?
Come like a water and sugar.
Yep. So, we're all checked in.
A different camera there.
We're all checked in, getting overpriced airport food. Got some pancakes and a cup of coffee. It's supposed to be latte. Tastes like coffee. Tastes like water. But we're all checked in and everything. Mommy, want to say hi? Mommy.
Hi.
Well, yeah. Now we just gotta wait to board. Got my eyelashes done. They're short. It's my first time doing that. I don't know how people wear them. Some nails done. Yep.
Yeah.
Made it to Jamaica. Picked up the rental. About to drive from the airport.
Straight to.
I have a mount to put up there.
How to get a bond.
Rose Corner.
Rose Corner.
Turn it around.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn it around.
Yeah. So.
Because the mask. We don't need no mask.
We're heading to Rose Corner, Lagwood to be exact.
Don't tell them exactly where we come from in this country.
Yeah. How to get a pond, the beach, and a lot of stuff. We got a lot of stuff in store. See you guys on the other side. And I will
Get a shot of the scenery. The breeze feels good, but the AC feels better.
You know the AC now?
I mean, a feeling.
Yes, yeah, do it a record. Right.
No, adesso no, we are share.
876-531-4406. Solid concrete for my money. And tax rate.
Oh, shut up.
where we need to get to by the time we are finished with this week, right?
Each time back in March 10, making life for me, children shine that turn hell beyond and the age.
On our way home, home sweet home.
To be held in Antigua starting on Sunday. This will be the second month-long camp in 2021, assembled under the guidance of head coach Kobe Walsh and his support team. With the ICC Women's World Cup qualifiers now rescheduled for December, Coach Walsh has devised a program to maximize team preparations ahead of international cricket and the qualifiers later in the year. The purpose of this camp is to work on consistency and game awareness. Walsh says the last camp was more observational, and he got a pretty good idea where the ladies are in terms of their fitness. 8 uncapped players are amongst those called up, including teenagers Zyda James, Lucia, and Janelia Glasgow, Vincent, and the Grenadines. James is a left-arm medium pacer, and Glasgow is a right-arm medium pacer. The other uncapped players are Rashad Williams, Tanisha Kaiser, Shanique Rachel Dixon. The return to the camp is left-handed wicketkeeper batsman Casey Knight. Cricket was still his lead selector for women's cricket, and Brown John was excited about the big group of players for this camp. All players and support staff were tested with negative COVID-19 results before their arrival in Antigua. The players and support staff were trained and lived in a biosecure bubble for the duration of the camp. Single players Andre Russell, Fidel Edwards, Fabian Allen, and Robin Powell are amongst 18 overseas players selected in the replacement draft for the restart of the Pakistan Super League on June 1. The Pakistan Super League was suspended in March following an outbreak of COVID-19 within the tournament bubble. Was still third best team player in the world.
Today we're dedicating it to Sister Victoria Party from the Mango Valley SDA Church. Ready her birthday today, so happy birthday to you. The team wishing you a day filled with God's love.
Oh, that's it. Sunhouse. Sunhouse. Yeah, but pick up that.
This is NCUFM. Find us also at www.ncumediagroup.com, on TuneIn.com, or simply by calling 518-412-1090 for more than That's 518-412-1090.
No, we never see no soldier check what day when we are come. Oh, no, me realize what you say. No, so we never see none. That now?
Well, being on the beach, I like them to know where
I'm literally out back in my lane.
Beautiful Jamaica, beautiful Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica.
Neesbury, I haven't seen these in years. Pepper shrimp. Huh?
You have to do it, yes, sir.
You may actually miss it.
You have to do it, yes, sir.
What is our weather?
What is that? Wait.
Ini nak masuk. Nah, what's it now? Oh my goodness, I made it. This is my area. I made it. I made it. I made it. I made it. They were in there.
That's a bubble.
Nah, come on. Batman! Who the fuck is that there? Batman! I made him come in the corner and I said, look, I'm going. Fuck is that there? Boy, let him chill himself. Yeah, boy. God. Fuck is that there, boy? Just your technique. No, hey, alright. Come in and see me out there for color, I said. You answer the way.
What happened?
That's why I'm going to walk you see that. No, you can't realize you're going to sit there. Fuck, man. Straight through, man.
Yeah. That's why I'm going to look today. That's already me. I'm ready. I'm putting full case of my sitting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. You stand by doing the cake.
Thank you. You are here. You have obsession with here.
Hey. No, I'm going to hurt you.
In there, he get too used to the big building there. I say they wait for you a little longer before you come back. Hey.
I phone it together. Camilla. He said he can't come over with you.
One. Amelia.
Asa.
I told you. I saw the baby. I see the baby run me post. I'm like, there's no way. Yes. Hello. Hi. Yes. Hello.
Yeah, man, it's just so key there.
Just register.
Where is it? He said, what if you me a fellow black?